What are you looking at, Tim?
I'm looking at you because you suck.
Well, we're here to talk about AI age verification, and it's pretty dangerous. Many YouTube channels are going to be affected by it on August 13th, so we need to have a chat. About this.
Hello guys, it's me, Tom and Ben. We're here to talk about AI age verification.
That's right. We're here to talk about age verification and why it's dangerous.
As of August 13th, YouTube will roll out a new update that is going to be affecting all YouTube channels on August 13th.
So, at this time, please quit YouTube before this update rolls out.
This is Tom and Ben signing off.